Welcome to Bathgate Park School's 2020 production, the Dunedin's ABCs. Throughout the year, students of Bathgate Park School have been learning about our national and local history. This production pays homage to our beautiful and fascinating city and some of its history. It is inspired by George Griffith's book, ABC Letters from Dunedin. Please sit back and relax as we take you on a journey from Dunedin's A through to Z.
A is for Albatross, the world's largest birds with a wingspan of 3 meters. These majestic birds can be found at the Otago Peninsula, the only mainland breeding colony of the northern royal albatross. B is for Baldwin Street. Baldwin Street previously held the Guinness World Record for the steepest street in the world. It held the title for over a decade until June 2019 when it lost to a street in northern Wales. In 2020, Baldwin Street took back its title as the world's steepest street after a formal record review.
C is for Cadbury. Cadbury was formed in 1930 when a local biscuit maker, Richard Hudson, teamed up with Cadbury to make New Zealand's first bar of Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate The factory sadly closed in 2018.
Wouldn't it be nice if the world was Cadbury? Driving in the car would be a tasty treat. Changing gear will soon become a problem. Cadbury dairy milk is so good to eat. When you arrive at your destination, you'll be greeted with an exclamation. Wouldn't it be nice?
D is for Dunedin. Dunedin is the oldest city in New Zealand. Originally, the city was to be called New Edinburgh. Dunedin was chosen instead, which is a Scottish Gaelic name for the capital of Scotland. Dunedin was established in 1848 by the Lay Association of Free Church of Scotland.